Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video guys, I will teach you object-oriented programming in Python. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So before we start, I would like to shout out Sir Erniel, Marshmallow, and Ma'am Rubilin, our avid subscribers and supporters in my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you want to be shout out in my channel, kindly leave your comment, your name, and then in our comment section of the video tutorial, and then say shout out. So let's begin. OOP or object-oriented in Python. Machine problem. Create a class called cell phone. The cell phone class has the following fields: color, manufacturer, model. 2. Instantiate the cell phone class 5 times. 3. Modify the properties. 4. Display the properties. Okay. So we have here class cell phone, color, blue, model, liquid, C6, class manufacturer, Aces. So phone 1, cell phone, color silver, iPhone 12 Pro, manufacturer Apple. So here we display the color of our phone in phone 1, phone 2, model, phone 1, manufacturer, in print. And then another phone, instantiate a new object. By this time the object is phone 2, and then we have a different properties. Color is black, evolved X, the manufacturer is BlackBerry, and then display the phone, second phone color, model, and manufacturer. And then for phone 3, the same thing, the only difference is the color. Sort the Sage, Pixel 5, the manufacturer is Google, and then they display the color of phone 3, model, and manufacturer. Phone 4, we have here different color, Frost, Crystal, Honor 50 Pro, Honor, and then we display the color, model, and manufacturer of the fourth phone. And then lastly, phone 5, cell phone, the color is blue, the model is Wildfire E3, the manufacturer it's HTC, and then we display the phone color, phone 5, and model, and phone manufacturer. Basically guys, now what we are learning here in object-oriented programming in Python is how to create an object, assign the properties, and display the properties of a given object. Okay, so let us run so that we can see the result. Right click, run objects. So we have here the output for the first phone, second phone, third, fourth, and fifth phone. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video about object-oriented programming in Python programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake Singh. Bye bye for now.